Our world is full of wonderful things. Today we came up with something amazing. It is located 30 kilometers away from Addis Ababa and it is ancient. Meet the amazing warka tree or ficus vasta. The warka tree is found in Ethiopia and Yemen and is known for its gigantic size. Here's the best part. This tree actually grew on an old house. The harmony they make with the house is amazing. This house used to be a meal house with a lot of activity, and over time the house became useless and it was isolated for a long time. The tree's root grew in the house too, and instead of demolishing the house, it composted the house. This made the house and the environment more beautiful place to look it on. We recommend you to visit it. It has amazing rivers and waterfalls.